Hello, welcome to our video tutorials. This video will show you the flush-mounted installation for emergent stations. First, we will discuss product unpacking. Always check that you have the correct mounting hardware for installation. Next, please check that you have all of the accessories that come in the box. To be sure that you have all of the necessary parts, please check with the quick installation guide for the complete list of parts. There are many different kinds of physical interfaces on the device, as you can see on the screen. Please check and make sure that you have all of the necessary wires reserved for the installation. For the basic installation of the intercom, you want to power the unit and wire the relay for access control. To power the device, we need one UTP cable with PoE and wires for relay connection to corresponding pins. If there is no PoE, you can also use the 12-volt direct power input by using an adapter or PoE injector. Here, we have some examples to show the different wiring connections. Ethernet connection with Cat5 or Cat6 cable. Direct 12-volt power input wiring. Relay wiring for access control. Wiring of input devices such as exit buttons and sensors. Now, let's move on to the installation. First things first, for safety concerns, please make sure on-site power is completely turned off before you get started. Please only use our recommended network cable in the installation. Let's start installing the unit by first installing the embedded box. As for the dimension of the square hole for the embedded box, please refer to the recommendation in the installation quick guide. Place the embedded box properly on the wall according to the position of the hole. We need to use cement or non-corrosive structural adhesives to fill the gap between the wall and the embedded box to make a stabler installation. Next, we are going to connect the cables. For connecting the door locks, please wire the relay. Here, we have a PoE Ethernet cable. You may plug the cable into the Ethernet port. The last step is to install the main unit. We must place the device into the bracket and screw 4 screws to tighten the device. We strongly recommend using the provided screws to reduce the risk of tampering. Now, the whole installation is finished. Thanks for watching. We wish you a pleasant experience with Akuvox.